Be blessed by the divine. This is Krish Murali Eswar, student of Professor Hariharan, son of the inventor Professor K.S. Krishnamurti. This is the sixth case study in our video series. In this example, we are going to be predicting the event of life, danger to life, ruination, and finally death. Look at the Lagna Sublord. If the Lagna Sublord is associated with the 8th house, with Bhadaka and Maraka Lords association, and also fulfill the rule Saturn in the 8th house. Just to remind you, the Maraka Sthana for all Lagna signs is the 2nd and the 7th house. The Bhadaka Sthana for movable signs, Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn is the 11th house. The Bhadaka Sthana for the fixed Lagna signs, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius is the 9th house. Bhadaka Sthana for common Lagna signs, Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces is the 7th house from the Lagna. We will now see an example chart. In this example of a native born in the city of Bangalore in Chitra, in the 3rd quarter of Chitra star, which is a Mars star, in Libra Rasi and in Aries Janma Lagna, on 15th of March 2017, Wednesday at around 9:35 am in Bangalore city. And we can see that the Lagna is in the Mars sign of Aries. Planets, Moon is in Libra in Chitra star. Rahu is in Leo. Jupiter is in Virgo in the 6th house. Moon is also in the 6th house. Fortuna is in the 8th house, but Saturn is also in the 8th house in Dhanur Rasi. Ketu is in the 10th house. Sun, Mercury, Venus are in the 11th house. And Mars is in the 12th house. Let's look at the Lagna Sublord. Mercury is the Lagna Sublord. Mercury is in the star of Saturn. Saturn signifies 8th house, 10th house and the 11th house. 8th is the position of Saturn. 10th and 11th are the ownership of Saturn. Interestingly, Saturn is in Ketu star and Ketu is posited in the 10th house. As you can see here, Saturn in the 8th house, Ketu in the 10th house, and Saturn owns 10 and 11. So therefore, Saturn signifies 8, 10 and 11, and that signification will be passed on to Mercury being the Lagna Sublord. Therefore, the Lagna Sublord signifies 8th house, 10th house and the 11th house. Let's go back to the rule. The rule says that if the Lagna Sublord is associated with the 8th house, which is true in this particular example chart, and Saturn also in the 8th house, then there is danger to life and finally death due to ruination. Let us now analyze the Bhadaka and Maraka Lords. In this example chart, Aries is the Lagna, therefore Venus, the owner of the 2nd and the 7th house, and Saturn, the owner of the 11th house, are the Maraka and the Bhadaka sthanas. Venus, the owner of the 2nd house and the 7th house, is the star of Jupiter. Let us see what Venus signifies. Jupiter signifies 1, 6, 8, 9, 12. Jupiter is posited in the house of sickness, the 6th house. Please note that. Venus signifies 2, 7, 8, 10, 11. Both the Maraka and the Bhadaka houses. The rule for KP Astrology prediction for danger to life, ruination and death says if the Lagna Sublord signifies the 8th house with Bhadaka and Maraka Lords associated with the danger houses and Saturn also posited in the 8th house, then the rule is satisfied. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit kpastrologer.net to learn the world's simplest astrology.